Hey, this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And as I mentioned in the previous show, I was going to give you a little demo of the audio quality of the Tecsun H-501x. This has 4 speakers, stereo of course, and what I'm doing is I'm playing off of a memory card, some music from the free YouTube library. They have all kinds of music that you can use in your videos for free and not run into any problems. So you're going to have to kind of trust me because you're going to hear the quality audio through my camera, which is basically a cell phone. And so you may not get the fidelity in that process. Plus, once the video is uploaded to YouTube, they process it, so it may decrease the audio quality again. So keep that in mind. You just have to trust me of what I'm saying I'm hearing in the room with the radio. So here we go. Let me turn this back up, and I'll try several selections. We have bass and treble control. I'll adjust those. Treble, all the way up. Mid-range, all the way down. Back to mid. And we have bass, all the way up. All the way down. You can really tell the difference. Mid-range. Let's go to another track. I don't particularly like that one. Let's try another one. I didn't like that one. Lots of volume, of course. Now this sounds excellent to me. It is fantastic to me. Again, it's got a 4-speaker system. They're very nice speakers, I'll say, because I showed you a picture quite a few shows ago inside the radio. Not inside this one, it was a picture somebody else did. And it showed you the speakers, the 4 speakers. So let me go back and let you listen some more. Try another track. Lots of bass. This has got to be the best audio with my limited testing of radios, portable radios especially, that I've ever heard on a portable radio. And again, this is the Tecsun H-501x. So my point is, not only you're going to get good audio listening to the MP3 player, you're going to get good audio on the various bands, the FM band, which I don't want to show you, might get in trouble letting you listen to audio on the FM band. And as I mentioned in my previous show, before this show, about how important good audio is for shortwave listening. And this radio does a fantastic job. But again, you're going to have to take my word for it, because you're going to hear it filtered through my cell phone, filtered through YouTube's processing. So it may not sound, it won't sound as good as it does live. So let me play a little bit more and then we'll call it quits. I've got the volume turned up about 1/3. Yeah, we don't want that. I've selected a bunch of different audio tracks from the YouTube free library to give you kind of a smattering of different music. I'll do a couple more and then we'll call it quits. Okay, there again, you're going to have to kind of trust me as far as what I am hearing being right here in the room with this radio compared to what my cell phone and YouTube does to the audio. It's fantastic. It's well worth, if you're into good audio, excuse me, this radio has good audio. It's the best audio that I've heard on a portable radio. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm doing things that you're interested in. If you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you would. And have a great day. Bye-bye.